Sides to make it pop a little more and give it a more vibrant look. That's definitely something I do like. And then we also have a little SD card in here already. That also is included in the shipping. And we get, how much is that? 64 gigs with this. And you can definitely record quite a bit with that amount of space, I can tell you that much. So let's throw that back in there. And then we also have a little clipper here, so we can just put that on our key or somewhere. Back here is our charging input, and then we got a mode and a on and off switch, and that's pretty much how that whole thing is gonna work. So you just turn it on, and then you can start recording basically, and it's all been or will be saved on your SD card, and then you're basically good to go to do your tasks as you want to do them. And yeah, pretty straightforward device, pretty simple to use, and I think we can call this a day. So you take care. I will see you around in the next video. I'm Badger, I'm out, and I hope you have a great one. Bye bye.